Blinkit-tagi pot khara chenbane.
Kari nune ngasi leilesibo. Yan
Blinkit laibudagi
Idania bread normale.
Blinkit laibudagi nungaire.
Sangom kaungin.
Khongnaraga laidrasu.
Habakandane sigi sase buttermilk se si thakpa yamna puk yam nuwaye. Digest tawdabasu dum digest tawe.
Aduna raks to natra.
Se raks. Raks ne 50 gram.
Bema, go and sit there
Adum chaga.
next to mommy.
Wait, Daddy.
Adum sabi yamane. Aw bane. Isisu. Sisi kadang ditangin tu mahal yam lay.
Asamya biscuit se.
Blinkit laibadagi nungaire yamna blinkit se.
Injang napi su dagi achapot su hangdaba laitre to.
Adudi mayam isanapina magsabasi yengase blinkitagi order tawpase mani harauzabase.
My daddy ordered it, so I just want it. It's kind of a little sweet, so let's see the case, okay?
Okay.
Let's start with this green color. Let's see what is in this case. Let me show you. There's two candies in my hand. Green, blue, yellow, orange, red, and another red. Red, orange.
Two red, no?
No, just orange here. Red, orange, yellow, blue, green. There's two of them, so let's taste and eat it. So I don't know what to think of this kind of. I'm just crushing these gummies. Ow. Let's see this taste, guys. Look at this green color. Yeah, yucky. It tastes like broccoli.
Broccoli? Like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Don't do it. My token.
Gross. Now let's take this one too. Mom, you can have this one, but just eat with this green color. Let's see. Just taste a bite, this green color, and just think about what is this case, and just eat it. Say it's green or just kind of case or something else. Say, oh my God, there's so much skinny on my hand. Roasty. This is a blue color. Let's taste this one also.
Okay. Yes. What is the taste?
It's blueberry.
Wow, blueberry. Oh, nice. Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, my teeth hurts.
Oh.
It's too tummy.
Oh.
Ice cream's in it. Mama, ice cream's in it. She did like for this. So.
What is that?
Yellow color.
Huh? Show me again.
Yellow
color. Okay. Over here. You show here. Okay. Okay.
Yellow color.
Okay.
Now
let's
let's taste it.
start. Okay.
It's like orange. Sorry, it tastes
Mango.
like mango.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's taste this one. I don't know what is that. No. Now what is this?
And what is that color?
It's orange color.
Orange color.
Oh, no, that's this.
Okay. Oh no.
Don't do like
that. Orange. Okay. And next, strawberry.
Let's just wait color here.
No. Here, you show here. That is the camera. You show here, okay? And oh, wow, that is a strawberry. Okay, eat it. Eat it. Okay. And tell me what is the taste.
I don't know.
Okay.
Say sorry.
Strawberry. Okay. And then show me. show me mommy okay mane am pamjaba jelly ne mapana arang blinkit tagi tawba lawbane okay that is the last piece
Yeah.
okay
Now let's start with red now. I don't want we start from green. Now let's start with upside down. Now let's start with red.
Okay what is the taste
I got Yari again.
strawberry okay you like strawberry
Yeah.
okay it's yummy
It's good action. So give me out.
Chicken tawri jone amara uzaba do mapana ngang lere pudi tumba changdre ma sil pi oda sage da hai lere
Bang. Squishy. Let's start with this.
that is the mango